This is the Sinolift CBD20P Full Electric Pallet Truck, your dependable partner for fast-paced, high-volume material movement in your warehouse. Designed for efficiency, comfort and safety, the CBD20P stands out with a maximum load capacity of 2,000 kilograms, making it the ideal solution for warehouse operations and logistics companies. Step onto the standing platform featuring a metal guard for better protection for the operator and power on the truck with the main battery switch. Then you're ready to roll. The CBD20 features an ergonomic tiller control arm with all your controls in easy reach. The butterfly switch for moving forward and backward, the lift and lower buttons for the forks, and the button for sounding the horn. The CBD20P offers 2 driving speeds, a normal mode for fast-paced operations and a turtle speed mode for precise control in tight or crowded spaces, giving operators the flexibility to switch as needed. The CBD20P is built for high-efficiency performance in the warehouse. Whether you're loading pallets at the dock or moving goods across long aisles, this electric pallet truck delivers smooth, reliable handling. Its compact design and tight turning radius make it easy to maneuver in narrow spaces and around obstacles. With fast travel speeds and precise control, the CBD20P keeps your warehouse operations running quickly, safely, and with minimal effort. Safety is always a top priority for us. The CBD20P is equipped with a reverse emergency braking button, preventing injury and ensuring full control at all times. Charging the CBD20P is quick and hassle-free. Just open the battery cover, plug in the charger, and connect it to a standard mains outlet. It's that simple. No special setup, no wasted time. The CBD20P's intuitive controls and convenient features make it effortless to operate in fast-paced environments. Backed by a high-torque motor and a finely engineered internal design, it delivers consistent, powerful performance, even when climbing inclines or navigating uneven surfaces. The CBD20P is your go-to solution for demanding warehouse operations. Work smarter, move faster, stay in control with Sinolift.